Today I'm going to show you how to get your collagen peptides to actually work better. Right here I have collagen peptides. This is the Orgain brand of collagen peptides. They even have probiotics in it. 20 grams of collagen peptides per serving, which works pretty well. I've used this. It gets the job done, but I was seeking to get this to actually work better. And I found that taking this with other substances will actually get it to work better. And I'm going to put it all together for you so you can see it in action. So first I'm just going to get the glass right here. And I'll go ahead and put some water in the glass to get this process started. So I have just a glass of water, and I'm going to add the normal amount of collagen peptides for this serving. Just 1 scoop, 21 grams of collagen peptides. So go ahead, 1 scoop in there. Now, with this in here, works pretty well, but I have something also that I'm going to add to it, and that is silica. This is liquid silica made by Ionic Minerals. This is a concentrated form, so it offers, I believe that is 375 milligrams of silica per 30 drops, and I believe 1 vial is 30 drops. But I also have a different form of silica, which is organo living silica. Now this isn't concentrated right here, but it does have silica in it, and per tablespoon it offers 22.5 milligrams of silica per serving, which is maybe, I don't know how many times, maybe 13 to 14 times less silica per serving using this than this. But either way, you're putting silica in your diet that will actually help improve how collagen peptides works as far as building it up inside of your body, such as your cartilage, your skin, hair, nails, ligaments, and tendons. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to use the liquid silica, and there's also one more ingredient that I use to actually make the collagen peptides work better. So I'm going to get 1 vial and add 30 drops for the 375 milligrams of silica. I'm going to go ahead and mix this up. Now, when you're taking collagen peptides, it's often recommended that you take it on an empty stomach, or perhaps with, if you're taking it with a meal that does not have protein-rich food within it, such as a steak. Perhaps you should not drink this while you're eating a steak, because it will the collagen peptides may not get absorbed as easily if you were just to take this by itself. Now, I recommend taking it in the morning, or I take it in the morning because silica is best absorbed on an empty stomach. But to go along with this right here, I also have lipospheric vitamin C. This is made by Live On Labs right here, but you don't necessarily need Live On Labs liposomal vitamin C. You can take your regular vitamin C tablet, and that will work. It's recommended that you take 250 to 500 milligrams of vitamin C with the collagen to get great results with this. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the lipospheric liposomal vitamin C. I'm going to go ahead and take this. All right. And then I'm going to go ahead and drink the collagen peptides with the silica in it. And so this collagen peptide stack with the vitamin C and silica, and of course collagen, is supposed to give you better results than just taking collagen alone. It's often recommended by some to split it up, or either take a double dose, but splitting it up is supposed to actually work better. Perhaps if instead of taking it all at once, take it once in the morning and once in the evening to get great results. Now, I don't recommend taking the vitamin C more than just once in the beginning of the day because vitamin C is known to keep you a little alert, and you don't want that at nighttime. So this was Orgain Collagen Peptides. This is a way to increase the absorption of collagen peptides as well as get it to work better for you. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.